everyone, I'm teacher Egypt. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I would like to talk about past year question from NMOS 2021, which is about the digit value principle. Now, let's have a look. So you can see that from the question, we know that what is the average of all 4-digit number that can be formed by using the digit 2, 3, 5, and 6 exactly once. So we are forming the 2-digit number using 2, 3, 5, 6 and it cannot be repeated. So guys, in this case, how do we do that? So first thing first, we can try to list out all of our number here. So we start from 2, 3, 5, 6. So to avoid missing any number, what we can try to do is, we can first list out all of the number that start with 2. Alright, so we have 2, 3, 5, 6. We have 2, 3, 6, 5. Then we try to switch the number. You see that we have 2, 5, 3, 6. We have 2, 5, 6, 3. Then we have 2, 6, 3, 5 and 2, 6, 5, 3. So this is all the 4-digit number that start with 2. Now let's see the 4-digit number that start with 3. So we have 3, 2, 5, 6. We have 3, 2, 6, 5. Then we have 3, 5, 2, 6, 3, 5, 6, 2. And finally we have 3, 6, 2, 5 and 3, 6, 5, 2. So this is all the 6 number that it starts with 3. Now let's look at the number that start with 5. So we have 5, 2, 3, 6, 5, 2, 6, 3. Then we have 5, 3, 2, 6, 5, 3, 6, 2. And then 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 6, 3, 2. And finally, numbers start with 6. We have 6, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 5, 3. Then we have 6, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3, 5, 2. And finally, we have 6, 5, 2, 3, 6, 5, 3, 2. So this is all of the 4-digit number that we have by using 2, 3, 5, and 6 exactly once. So guys, in this case, we would like to find what is the average, right? Average. So before we find the average, of course, we have to find the total, right? The total. So how do we do to find the total then? So the very direct approach is that we just directly sum them out. You can see that at this case, we have the sum of all of the 4 digits, which is just 2, 3, 5, 6 plus 2, 3, 6, 5. And you sum out all the way until the last number 6, 5, 3, 2. And you see that the answer will be equal to 106656. So now to find what is the average. So you can see that how many 4-digit number is that? We have 24. So to find the average, you just have to use the total that we have just found divided by 24. The answer will be 4444. But guys, in this case, we first trying to sum up all of the 4-digit number, and that is 24 of them. So you have to do a lot of the addition here. So while you are doing the calculation, you might be easier to make any mistake here. So now guys, is there any other method that we can use to find the summation easily? Alright, no worry guys. Now let me show you here. So now let's take a look at the ones digit of each of them. So you can see that 2 appear for 6 times, right? 2 appear for 6 times. And let's take a look at number 3. And you'll realize that, number 3 is also appear for 6 times. And next, about number 5. Number 5 is also appear for 6 times over here. And how about number 6? Number 6 also appear for 6 times. So guys, you can see that at this part right here, all of the number 2, 3, 5, 6, they appear for 6 times at the ones place. So for the ones, we can just sum up all of the digits 2, 3, 5, 6. And how many times it appear? 6 times. So we just have to multiply by 6. And based on what we know, the digit value principle, we know that all of the number for the ones here, it is just exactly the digit here. For example, the 6 is just the number 6, right? The value is 1. Now, how about the tens place? Alright, tens place. Now, let's have a look at the number 2. You will realize that, number 2 is also appear for 6 times. How about number 3? Number 3 also appear for 6 times. Number 5 also appear for 6 times. And also, number 6 also appear for 6 times. So in this case, we can also sum up all of our digits. But are we still multiplying by just 6? Guys, at this part right here, we say that this is a tens place. So for example, this 6 over here, what does it represent? It represents 60. So guys, in this case over here, we are not only multiply by 6, we have to multiply by 10. So it is just multiply by 60, right? Then let's take a look at the 100 place, right? 100. So now you will see that for 2, it also appear for 6 times. For 3, it also appear for 6 times. And for 5, also appear for 6 times. For 6, also appear for 6 times. So guys, in this case, you just have to sum up all of the digits. And this time, what do we have to multiply? We multiply by 600, right? And finally, let's take a look at the 1000 place, alright? So guys, for 1000 place, you will also see that all of the number 2, 3, 5, 6, they also appear for 6 times. So in this case, we just have to sum up all of the digits, then we multiply by 6000. Very, very good. So guys, you can see that in this case, now to find what is the summation, you can see that there is a lot of the multiplication here. And in front, all of them, there are 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. So in this case, we can just extract them out. So to find the summation, we have 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. And all of the number here, 6, 60, 600, and 6000. We just have to sum that out. It will be equal to 6666. So we just have to do this one multiplication, and you will see that the answer will be equal to 106656. So in this case, to find the average, we just have to use 106656 divided by 24, and the answer is 4444. And this is our final answer. But guys, in this case over here, you see that we just sum up all of the digits and then we multiply by 6666. Is this applicable to all of the different numbers? Is it applicable? So now let's have a look. For example, now if I want to find the summation of all of 4-digit number that is formed by using the digit A, B, C, and also D. Now, let's also first try to list out all of our number. So this is all the 24 4-digit number that is formed using A, B, C, D. So guys, you can see that at this part right here, we first take a look at the ones. You will see that A, B, C, D, all of them is also appear for 6 times, right? For 6 times. So you just have to sum up all of them, A plus B plus C plus D. Then what you have to do is, you just have to multiply by 6. And take a look at the tens place. A, B, C, D, you take a look at them. They also appear for 6 times. So you just have to use A plus B plus C plus D. You multiply by 60. And next, for the 100, all of them is also appear for 6 times. So you just have to sum up all of the digits, you multiply by 600. And finally for 1000, you see that, A. All of them also appear for 6 times. So you have to sum up all of the digits, you multiply by 6000. So guys, you can see that in this case, even we have the digit A, B, C, D. You see that we just have to find the summation of all of the digits. We multiply by 6666. As long as the 4 digit it is a different digit from 1 until 9, then you just have to use the sum of all the digits. You multiply by 6666. Alright? So now, let's summarize what we have learned from this question. So we know that for the different digits from 1 until 9, to find the sum of the 24 4-digit number, what do we have to do is, we just have to sum up all of the 4 digits, then we multiply by 6666. So this is how we solve our question, right? So now you can try to do this practice question and you can submit your answer at the comment section below, right? So you may join our WhatsApp group for more information about our activity. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.